Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Live with Beer. This is Beer and Anna here.
Yes.
And you can follow her, you can just talk to her personally. So her Instagram link is right here and my Instagram is here. And magtada mayambu amuka hanna khurumjari agi channel da mayambu taramna okchari ngasi gi video ko react tojagadribasi mamang video da ko mayamna khanbirakhiba isai amakhakni si gi isai se it's called Nungshibana hanlurey. This music video has been released for a while now.
Okay.
It's been released for a while. It's one of it's a music video from a movie.
Okay.
So it's not really just an album song. It's from a movie.
Which movie? Is it a Bollywood movie?
No, it's a Manipuri movie.
Oh, cool.
Obviously, it's a movie song. So yeah, it says movie song here. So I have listened to this for quite a while. For me, this is one of my favorite songs of all time.
Okay.
It's really good. And before we go into the video, so the heroine. Okay, I wouldn't say anything about it. You'll see. You'll find out how beautiful she is.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So let's go right into it. Yeah. It's called Nungshibana hanlurey. Okay. Before the Nungshibana hanlurey means like it's like I'll explain in a sentence. You saw a girl, and then before you even know her name, you already start loving her before you know her.
So
it's
love
like,
at first sight.
It's not love at first exactly, but love comes first. Like I have loved you before I know you.
Oh,
Something like that.
Okay.
Nungshibana hanlurey. Yeah,
So it's a
I'm
romantic.
sorry if I'm explaining really bad because I'm bad in English.
No, I understand what you're saying.
It's a romantic song. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll see how it is. This is more of the mixed, more of the modern side as well.
Okay.
Not the video that we watched last week. It's completely different one. It's more of the modern culture. You won't see those like traditional stuff.
Oh, okay.
It'll be rare in this video. Yeah. Yeah, I beat Hawaii, like my soul.
Oh.
This guy. This is the guy. Bala. That's the heroine.
Oh, he looks kind of like you. He actually does. I'm not joking.
So this guy looks like me?
Yeah.
Okay. I look like Mahesh. I literally have the same dress.
You have the same hair, same head shape. That's literally you. That's him.
People are gonna rant me down in the
I'm
comment
not
section.
even joking.
Actually, that's me. That's me.
Look someone.
She's Bala, like she's like the queen of our industry.
Oh yeah?
How's this? She's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
When I was in grade 10, she was my first crush.
Aww. That is beautiful.
Oh
that
yeah,
background? Wow.
yeah, it's all in Northeast India, like my side of the world. He
looks so much like you. It's not even funny.
Oh, people are gonna kill me in the comment section. Just kidding.
Like, is he your twin or like?
No, just...
So cute.
Like the place is
So
amazing.
pretty.
How do you like this song? Like,
It's kind of like nice, chill.
how do you see Bala? Bala's beautiful, right?
Yeah, she's really pretty.
Like all the guys. Okay,
I love his like.
I'll speak after the video. I'm speaking too much. No. Can you sing?
I can. You should recreate this video.
Why? Because I look like...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you kind of look like Bala as well.
Do I? I have to dye my hair. That's so pretty.
Yeah. No, I don't look like him. This part.
She's really pretty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's pretty. Her hair flips.
Yeah. It's like when girls do this shit. It's so beautiful.
When they know you're looking, they're just like, oh yeah.
Yeah. It's in northeast India. This one's not exactly in Manipur, but it's like next to Manipur. It's pretty near. Yeah. Both of them are comedians. Look at the side. They're really famous comedians. I love this one, the green. Like he's really funny when he speaks. Like his name is called Kabok like Inaucha. The guy's name is Bala. No, it's Mahesh. The one you said looks like me.
But he literally does. It's like you could tell me that was you doing it. I would be like, oh, interesting.
No, I would have loved you then.
Huh?
I would have loved you. Like I would have told you that.
Yeah,
that was me. That's my music video.
Yeah, I called. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that was Nungshibana hanlurey. So you started. How was it?
I thought it was cute. It's weird how they are literally the same person.
Oh, me?
You and that guy. I was like, you look so much like him.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, it was catchy.
I've been fighting for my whole life saying I don't look like him. Today you just kill me.
I'm sorry. You look like him. Yeah, it was nice. She was really pretty, the girl in the video. Did she? No, she didn't sing at all.
No, they were not singers.
No, okay.
They were just actors.
Just the guy.
No, they were actors.
Oh, he wasn't singing?
No, he wasn't singing.
Wow, you could.
That's a different.
That's
Like,
so funny. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, the scenery was like extremely pretty.
Yeah.
That makes me want to like
Go
visit there a
Yeah.
lot more. Yeah.
Are you sure you want to come to Manipur one day? Deal. Promise.
Oh my. Well, I don't have the money for it right now, so maybe in a couple
Canadians
of years.
are all rich. Don't he's lying.
Do you want to see my bank account? Like,
Yeah. How do you like what about the girl? Like the guy looks like me, the girl, like how do you see about the acting? Like it's completely different from the music like industry, like the music videos, like
yeah, here versus I mean the choreography and the dancing seem pretty like similar. Like they're interacting as if they're falling in love. There's more of that like chase going on. Like
so
she's like
away.
looking all good, flipping her hair. Like she's like, oh, now you see me, now you don't. Like
now you see me, now you don't.
And he's just kind of like, but like I'm in love with you. I don't know. So that was cute.
It was cute.
It's a little different in that way because I guess like there's not really much of a chase in a lot of the music videos here. Well, not like here in Canada, but like in the
in all over like the Hollywood industry, for instance.
Yeah. So that was just like a little bit of a difference, but I think the bigger difference is just like the places that they're filming is like so incredibly beautiful.
Yeah.
Like if music videos that are very like popular songs, like I don't know.
Yeah, that's
what example should I use of a popular song?
Señorita.
Sure, that one. They filmed it in like an
apartment.
In a hotel apartment. Well, this is like outside with the beautiful like falls and everything. So
the one that's the same one. Like Everybody Wanna Steal My Girl. That song, One Direction. Have you seen the music video?
I don't. Everyone wants to steal my girl.
No, not everyone. Like what's that? I forgot the song. It's a One Direction.
I was like, One Direction broke up, dude. Like they.
Like a long time ago, right?
That's What Makes You Beautiful?
No, everyone wants to steal my girl to something. That Steal My Girl, that song.
You have to look it up. I don't know.
I have no idea.
Anyway.
Something like that. That music video was really shot in like an open area. So I was just giving you a reference.
Yeah. There's a couple of them, but I thought just the scenery was insanely pretty, and I was like, wow.
Yeah. How about their acting and stuff? Like how do you like it?
I think it was just more that they were dancing together. They
more
wouldn't
like
have
connections, like chemistry.
Chemistry, I wouldn't be able to tell that they had chemistry. It looks like they're acting very much so, but I don't think it's bad acting. I just think that they were just mainly dancing.
Yeah, there's more about music. Like
I think the girl she was much better at acting than the guy was.
Just because the guy looked like me?
Yes, no. I just think that he was just kind of like walking around, and you did see that he was like a little bit sad at some point, but she was more like owning it, if that makes sense. I think she was definitely better.
Girl power.
Yeah, she was owning the whole girl power and the chase thing. She was like, yeah, I know I'm beautiful. I'm just gonna keep walking here, like, you see me now, like, you know.
You don't see me now.
Yeah, she was just, so she was a little bit better than he was, but the acting was good.
Like, see, I've been there in the music industry for years now. Like, when it was a great time. Think about it. Like, it's been more than 10 years, I guess.
Okay.
Like, so I've been there in the industry for like, I don't want to say 10 years, but like, it's been a while, really while. I've seen her on screen.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like, he's comparing to her, he's not a real new actor, but like, comparatively, he's new to her. Yeah, so that's where the difference lies. But yeah, that's all, and thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and that's it. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any videos in mind, drop in the comment section down below. We will love to pick one of your favorites and react on the next reaction video Tuesday. Till then, take care, guys, and do you have anything to say to them?
Oh, have a good weekend, guys.
Okay. Yeah, see you. Thank you guys so much for watching till then.
Bye.
Yeah.